there, it's Laird here at South Burlington Mazda. I wanted to give you one of the pro tips for enjoying your Mazda. Today we're going to talk about the recessed wipers and how to put them in a service mode for the winter. So when I talk about the recessed wiper blades, that's going to be on your Mazda CX-30, Mazda CX-50, Mazda CX-90, and Mazda CX-70s. So we're sitting in a CX-30, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my foot on the brake, I'm going to turn the car off, and then I'm going to move the wiper arm up twice. There we go. And as we can see, the wipers go into a standby position, which is where you can now bend them on the hinge forward. So now with them in the standby position, if you had to clean the windshield or you just want to leave it before the snow happens, you can see the hinges right here. They can now bend forward, where you can even easily change your Mazda original manufacturer wiper blades. Thanks so much for joining us for another pro tip. Please give us a call here at South Burlington Mazda if there's anything you need.